trend line in Forex. And we know that we're counting 1, 2, 3 so that we can get an entry, stop loss, and exit. But where do we set a stop loss and take profit and exit? How do we actually get on about that? The asset, the time frame. So let me just make it easier for you so that you can actually understand the trend line, how it works, how you can use it, and how to actually be able to be profitable when it comes to trading using the trend line. Now, it's simple and easy, so we'll just apply our PC and then just to make it easier for everybody. Now, let's actually zoom out here so that I can show you what's happening. You see this line over here. This is a line for separating the day, first day and second day. Now, when we zoom in, we are on this current day. The only thing that we have to actually pay attention to is understanding what the lowest price for the day. The lowest price for the day is our key area where many traders they are more interested to take a buy. We mark that and we mark the wick, the stick here, the wick. We mark the end here. We're not using the closing price. We're not using the opening price. We're just marking the wick over here. Now, once we've marked that wick, this week, we now have to find another week. This is another week. We mark the end of that week. So what we'll do, we'll just use we'll apply our trend moving in the line. We just place it that exactly at that week. Let me change the color to black because we like black anyway. We go to properties and we change the color to black. I prefer black because it's much easier to work with in most cases in white colors. So we'll just have to extend this line to the right. All right, we just have to make sure that it's still touching out the wick here. You can see here and the wick over here. Then we'll have our first buy over here, and the same thing that you see over here. So this is where we've got an entry to take a buy on gold. Now, for you, you need to set up your platform, MetaTrader 5. Make sure that you tap here. You make sure that you go to this three dot icon here, setting icon. You scroll the way down. You make sure that you show your period separators is turned on so that you know this is the current day. This is the mistake where many traders, they actually fail to actually understand what day are they trading on and also the session. So please take care of that. Make sure that you do that. Now, once you have that, where's the exit? Make sure that you always mark the higher price. So just tap here, go to this icon over here. And once I tap this icon, I see these features. So you can just use them. It's up to you how you like to use them. But I prefer the horizontal line, which is this one here. And then I tap, I put it here. I put it here. Remember, I've mentioned the high for the day and low for the day. This is very important for you to be profitable when it comes to using a trend line. Instead of using 4 hours, be confused as to how to set a trend line. This is how you can do it. So our exit is here. The higher for the day, right, is there. But along the way, we can still take profit because trend line is supposed to be a trade. We're supposed to take it for us to swing low and swing high. Now that might be confusing as to what is swing low, what is swing high. So let me explain some of the things about swing low and swing high. Now when we look here, we've said that we were looking for 1, we're looking for 2, and we're looking for 3. All right. So the movement from 1 to 2, 1 like this, it turns and gets back to 2 and creates a 2 and moves up, higher than what? Higher than the previous area here and gets back down here. Sometimes it can move lower, it doesn't matter as long as it can create 1, 2, 3. Then from there, what we'll do, we'll take a buy here and our exit is at this area here. But since we're applying the high for the day and low for the day, let's actually put that into reality. If we can move our horizontal lines down here in this area, so you can see these 2 areas. So let me show you on our PC so that you can actually understand better. You see these 1 and 1, 2 areas. So if we got an entry here, this is where we have to take an exit. But because of what? Because of the higher for the day here, where the chart opened, there is no any higher price or candlestick above that. So we're using that as our maximum take profit. We know that we have take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. I trust you understand. So that will make sense for you to understand better where to take a first take profit, third profit, and the maximum profit. But we are expecting the maximum profit, so this is what we're expecting. So now, since we do have this trend line crossing this, we can now adjust it all right, because the trend line is not supposed to be fixed. We can now adjust it to the lower areas so that we can get a second entry. You can see we're counting this 1 here, 2 and 3. This is happening in exchange today, and now this is where we take a buy. Exit is here, stop loss will be below here. But when we actually take an entry, we are not applying the 15M time frame. We have to apply a smaller time frame, such as a 1 or 5M or 1M. For me, I prefer even the 1M, because 1M gives me a precise entry, right? Precise entry where I'll have to enter the buy. As you can see here, if right now we have to take the buy here, we'll need to be precise with the entry. So if you have any difficulties as to Bozza, I've been trying to use a trend line, applying it on a higher time frame. I'm struggling. Please assist me. So you let me know. We have a mentorship program where I assist traders to learn more and understand what they need to do in terms of applying strategy, time frame, and also do proper analysis. All right. So please make sure that you also go to our YouTube app for those who do not have a trading account. Let's actually go to 15M now. We go to YouTube and you search Bozza Trader. All right, once you've actually